If my name is Jaga, and I ban you from entering my house, does that make me Jagaban?
Oh my God.
My God. Oh.
Continue.
If you have a bae, and I have a boo,
And so what?
can we call them a boobe?
The vulgarity has really become intolerable.
Continue.
So yesterday as I was going home, jejely,
What happened?
so I saw like 5 birds. They were flying. They landed on this NEPA wire.
Okay.
So when I now got home, I was not thinking that, can we say that they too they are online?
Akakaya, Aka Jehovah name, always.